Welcome to Machu Picchu, amigos. This is our life for the next hour and a half. 1,600 stairs, going 1.2 kilometers in the sky. I made it. It only took us an hour. It's supposed to take us an hour and a half, so that was impressive. I'm dead. There's a decent chance I'll fall off the sledge, but hey, yeah, we made it. That might be the hardest part, hopefully. Still have to hike another 45 minutes in the park to get to Machu Picchu, but hopefully I'll be recovered by then. I feel just amazing. I feel alive, just alive. So a little bit of lines here. There's a lot of people in a really small area. Ben just went to the baño, and then we gotta wait for our boy Wilbur. And then we're Gucci to go, I guess. As long as it hits 8 o'clock. She'll have to wait an hour, but I could definitely sit down for an hour. It's a bit foggy. It's a bit foggy. Wow. Wow. Ah, yes. Enjoying. I don't think that this camera's gonna do this justice. What a great hazy day though. Look at those mantangs. Oh.
Very quiet, and then you can enjoy the place. You can hear the sun.
Deixa o pessoal passar, ó. Aqui atrás não tem mais ninguém.
This is the gateway to Machu Picchu, the official gateway.
We walked all the way around here yesterday, all the way to over here, down along the river, and then we walked up the other. Why did we do that?
I don't know. Because that little place right there, that's where we ate lunch yesterday.
Can you see that? On
You
there?
can kind of see. You can
Yeah.
see there's a blob.
We
the
flew
bridge.
the drone from there.
This is a bridge we crossed, lunch, and then all the way down around. So, yeah, we put in work yesterday.
Is in one single piece of rock that they call it the sundial or inti.
I'll pack in my bags. Llamas. I love llamas. Llamas are cool. Until they spit on you. Not great then, but until then, cool. And there he goes. The best Wilbur, the best tour guide we could have asked for. Adios, Wilbur. We had a great time with you. Ben, don't let me forget to review Wilbur on TripAdvisor.
I will not.
That's on you. Holy Montaigne.
Getting a sweet
Wilbur's getting a 6-star review.
six out of
Yeah.
5 stars.
6 out of 5 stars. Yes. Where are you going? Alright,
We're doing Machu Picchu with
this is gonna be awful.
Young Mountain.
Which means Young Mountain. It's also 45 minutes up an extreme hill. Perhaps I'll shoot a time lapse. I'd like to shoot a few time lapses. The moment might be gone, but we gotta make this traverse first. So come along with us, please. No alpacas allowed.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy the rest of your day, I should say.
I was wondering where they went.
Alright, we were told this is the last steep part.
Where are we?
Yeah.
There's conflicting reports about that.
It was probably some sort of Nordic man. Okay, well that's kind of close. It's pretty steep though.
Really?
I'm showing the people at home, Nate. It's almost like a ladder.
I actually prefer this.
Really?
Well, you use the rope to drag me up.
You can use your arms now, eh?
Yeah, but see, I can't really as much.
Alright. We made it up, I think, almost. That's the view we got right now.
10 more minutes?
10 more minutes.
Oh,
Okay, so we didn't make it up. It's a good view though. Hey, we made it to the top of Montaña Huayna Picchu. As you can maybe see, Machu Picchu is behind us over there, and that's the mountain that's named Machu Picchu, and this is the smaller mountain because Huayna Picchu means child? Is that what he said? Child mountain? Little mountain? I feel like it was child. Maybe, no, it was old and young. That's what it was.
what did I say?
You said little. So, Machu Picchu, old mountain. Huayna Picchu, young mountain. And Nate's decided that the best thing to do in Peru on top of Huayna Picchu
Oh, the lizard. There's a lizard over there.
is to drink some good old Canada Dry.
I said, go get the lizard.
Ginger
Go get
ale.
the ginger ale. Go get the lizard on the rock over there.
Where?
Right in the where I'm pointing.
Oh yeah, I see it. Should I slow-mo it?
No, just get a video of it because it's gonna ski. How did we get up here?
Alright, back to Nathan.
You can take the Canadian out of Canada, but you can't take the Canada out of the Canadian. It's true. Fight me, bro. Canada Dry sponsor me.
Did they?
No, I'm asking them to.
Oh, I see.
It's so warm. It feels so good. We are on our way back down from Machu Picchu. A couple beautiful vistas. Ooh, we could shoot a time lapse here. Ooh, that's unlucky. I don't know. What do you think? Let's just go. We already have a cool one.
Yeah, this there was really cool. I know.
Instead of a time lapse, I'll just do a nice pan. Same effect. You know? Okay, adios. Let's go. Oh, that's far. Let's start climbing all these stairs. See you guys at the bottom. It's raining. Il fait pluie. C'est très beau. I like the rain. This is cooling.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Mr. No Jacket over here, though. We'll see how he does in 10 minutes. I hope it just pours. Oh. Hola, llamas. ¿Cómo estás?
I'm gonna try out this thing first.
May as well just do mine too. This guy doesn't know what he's doing.
That was okay.
Okay. Next.
Right here? Which way?
Wow, you got blue on my page.
Sorry.
Gracias. Consider yourself conquered, bro. Let's go. So, so far today, Ben has paid 4 souls to pee.
Yeah, that's brutal, eh?
Yeah. Bureaucracy, I tell you, yeah. Making a poor man pay to pee. We're actually going to enter Machu Picchu. You saw leave Machu Picchu. We're going to enter Machu Picchu again because the ticket we have lets us re-enter the park. So we're going to do another quick walkthrough, then we got to be out of here to go get our bags and catch our train after we walk for an hour. Ba-na-na-na-na, it's the B-E-N-B-N-N, I didn't spell your name right the second time. The attempt was there though. Here's a higher view, look at it's raining back there. Stupid tourists. Tourists ruin everything. Goddamn gringos. It's a beautiful mountain day. Interesting, I love the way that this place plays with light. You got light, really light in the foreground, and absolutely death. Just darkness.
You can really tell that the rain's. I feel like it's gonna be pouring.
I hope it pours. Shall we continue on?
Sure.
It's honestly pretty amazing what they did with very little technology. Like if you look at the stonework closely and look at the other things, some of the things that they did way ahead of their time, and then the Spanish came and ruined everything. That's a very brief history lesson, but I mean, we spent a lot of time here and not notice all the little details that are put into this glorious spot. One detail I'm not aware of is where Ben is. Ben Cafe! Where's Ben Cafe? Yeah, you were just up there spraying and praying. This guy sprays and prays, pass it on. Why didn't you take like 17 pictures? Isn't that what you normally do?
Why are you...
Have I mentioned there's llamas here? Hello, peaceful llama. Hello. Si, mamacita.
What? Oh, no.
Llama, llama. Na, 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 na. Watch as the predator approaches the prey. The llama.
Excuse, Monsieur Lama. Excuse. Excuse, Monsieur
Do I have to hurt him this time?
Senor Lama.
Would you like me to hurt him? It's my turn. Ben just herded a llama for a picture for my friend Cam. There's 2! They're both eating. Perhaps I can be of assistance, sir. How do you call a llama? I feel like that's a llama sound. Don't eat the dandelion, those are bitter. Don't! Good. Can I pet it? Ooh, I'm petting the llama. Hello! That's fine. Maybe we'll go see the other guy. Hello, sir. How would you rate your Machu Picchu experience? Is the grass good? Excuse me, sir. Sir? Few questions, sir. Oh, there's 2 more. Hello. Hello, sirs. Alright, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I think I am too.
Okay, let's start here. To the salida.
See it, eh?
Salida is this way.
Down this way, eh?
Yes. Hello!
Taking people's pictures, bro, you know, just helping out.
You're ruining the shot. Goodbye, Machu Picchu. You've been quite nice. Maybe we'll come back someday.
This place is so photogenic.
6 years. We'll see you again.
Couple switchbacks for the boys. Let's go.
Sweet, we're here. I'm just kidding. 1,500 more steps. At least they're down this time, though. Respect that. Here we are, back where it all began. Now only like a 20-minute walk into Aguascalientes, and then we are off to the train station and snack. Adios. 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 In the market, picked up Ben some agua. Picked myself up a Coca-Cola. I feel like you can't see it, that's okay. And a alpaca poncho. Doesn't have a hood. I wanted a hood. It's too late. There's no refunds.
You totally could have said something.
We have around 40 minutes until we're supposed to board, and then we are departing from Aguascalientes for Ollantaytambo, and then Cusco, hopefully, if all goes according to plan. Here she is. She's a fine looking beast. Fun fact, Peru Rail actually owned by British. So, yeah, Wilbur told us that. That seems strange, but what can you do though? You're wearing a poncho and you're Canadian, so times are weird.
Indian law, smoking inside the train car is prohibited. The restroom is located in the back or front of each car. To avoid accidents, please do not stick your hands out.
Gracias. Okay, we survived the Colectivo. Waiting for our Uber to our Airbnb, and then we'll be Gucci for the night. I'm shooting this in 4K 60.
Nice.
Yikes! Still keeping it though. It's gonna look strange. Lo siento. So we made it to the Airbnb, and we also managed to find a buffet, and we're gonna get some pasta as well. I already have some. I'm gonna eat at least 16 plates just before my meal. So.
Are you gonna keep at it? Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. How's the meal?
So far it's just a buffet.
That was
Nice. It's good.
no good. No, I'm not going to keep that.
So you want me to
Yes.
pour it?
Yeah.
Get meat, so.
Yeah, our Spanish isn't very good. We didn't think we were getting meat, but here we are.
Well,
A few steaks for the boys. I got some pesto pasta. It looks delicious. Okay, on y va. Agua and Inca Cola. Got 1 liter because we're ballers. Now we're gonna go back and cover ourselves in aloe, and that's pretty much gonna be the day.
see.
I'm tired. Pretty much just winding down for the night. This is gonna be good night until tomorrow. So we're tired. It's been a long day. It's 11. Why is it not going? It's 11:14 p.m. here. We've walked over 20k, up 255 flights of stairs. So I think it's a well earned rest in my king size bed. So we'll see all you amigos tomorrow. Mañana. Hasta la mañana. Hasta la mañana.